Daddy.
Angel goes crap.
Hey Angel, you probably don't wanna scream like a girl.
I will try not to.
Although if someone was looking from the back, they wouldn't be able to tell. Papa doesn't move and it goes like this.
Hey, at least swing.
But it was low.
Dig it.
I can't golf that. You see how fast that thing is moving?
Change it.
Hey!
Oh, I hit it!
Yeah, you hit it off the ground. Oh, I hit it. Sounds like he hit.
It sounds like you broke the bat.
He hit the plate.
Hit it on the ground.
That's good.
That's Vladimir Guerrero right there.
He's gonna burn you with a fastball.
Oh! Yes, he did. Or yes, I did.
Hey, Gunner. Yes, he did. He didn't break his wrist.
He said he did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, that was close.
One more, Angel.
Give me a curveball. Alright. My last one. You think you're gonna throw what?
I'll throw a better one.
Oh, no. Not the worst one. Hold on.
Dude, I saw that.
one.
It hit
It
that.
almost hit
I
me.
saw that thing drop.
Yeah, so you might not want to
That
turn
scared
back.
me.
Yeah, but look.
See that?
After you swing and
It started up here, came down, and then dropped. So it's like
you might hit it.
like a roller coaster. It's not bad to drop on it.
Hey! Hey, he's still not ready to pitch a lot. So got one more.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, no, I like these black ones better than last year. But